Let's see a quick demo of Garbage to Glory application. This application provides a user interface where user can enter user ID, number of products to be returned, and type of product such as bags or boxes. As this application would work as a plugin, we are considering here that a user is already logged in and user session is active. For demo purpose, we have added few users and products to the IBM Cloudant database. User can use an API provided by this application to create the product inventory for available products with details such as product ID, product type, points associated with it, and carbon index of that product. Each product has defined points which would get credited to user account once the written product is picked up. For demo, we are crediting the points to user account at the end of order creation. Now let's create one user. Here we are placing an order for user 1 for number of bags to be written as 5, product type as product 1. Once we submit the order, order ID will be generated and will be displayed over here. User can also verify the points credited to system by using this UI. So let's take a quick look at Cloudant database. Now, here you can see that order has been created and product inventory has been updated with total count as 5 as user 1 has written 5 items. Also, the 5 points have been credited to this user's account. This application also provides API to upload the product inventory documents to Watson Discovery Service. So here, as you can see, we have already uploaded few documents to the Discovery Service. In future, APIs can be developed to use Discovery Service to do the further analysis of the written products based on various parameters such as carbon index. So let's run this query. So you can see over here that there are 3 products which are uploaded to the IBM Watson Discovery Service. Now let's take a quick glance at the deployment part. We are using the Docker for containerization, and for orchestration and deployment, we are using the Kubernetes. So you can see that this application's image is already uploaded to the Docker Hub repository. Also, you can see over here that this pod is running, which is using the Docker image which is present at Docker Hub. So that's it for this demo. Thank you so much.